Hey guys, it's your boy, Shadow Forest, here with another video. So I'm sorry for the lack of videos. I know I had a lot of work to do and everything, so yeah, I'm really sorry. Anyway, in this video, let's make it to 600 likes. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Marvel Legendary Series Infinity Gauntlet from Hasbro. So here is the box. Looks pretty cool. Looks big. Here's all like little captions right there, showing you what it can do. Here is the side of the box. Just show my face so I can see. That's all cool detail. Here's the back of the box, and here is the other side of the box. Here is the top of the box. This is the box. So, just so you guys know, just a quick reminder, I already put the batteries in this thing, so when I take it out, it's going to make the sounds and everything, so be prepared. Stickers here. Let's open this bad boy. So, I got that one done. This side done, over here. So this is my second unboxing and review video, and I just love doing this. Yeah, so let's just making sure this is the right way. Alrighty, so I know. Let's put it this way. Ooh. So here's all the plastic and everything. And take this piece here. Let's pull out the protective cardboard casing. Okay, so let's just take. Be very careful just not to activate this thing. Okay. Careful. There we go. So you finally got it out of the box. Here it is. So the whole thing made out of hard plastic. No soft bits. And let's just first do a little view of it. Let's do a little review. Let's first do the side view. So here is the side view. Here is the front view. And if you look inside the hand, there are these little tiny hoops in there. You can see way at the back there. Yeah, literally. These little hoops right there. Hoops back there. Hoops, sorry. So you put your fingers through those and you move your fingers around to make the articulated fingers move. Here is the front. Yeah, this is the front. So sorry, this is the back actually, because this is like the front where all the stones are showing. But this is the palm. This is the right side view, and this is the front view. So, let's put it on. Fingers slide gently through. So this thing looks pretty big, and it's bigger than my face, because it's Thanos, and it's awesome. So before we turn it on, let me just tell you all the stones. This is the soul, reality, space, power, time, and mind. Alrighty, so let's unleash the power of Thanos. Press the milestone. Pretty awesome sound. I love it. The fingers make the most amazing sound. So, movie iconic sounds. It makes the sounds of the fingers. This is the greatest thing ever. This is really cool. So yeah, this is the gauntlet, honestly. It has all the amazing detail. This is cool. You should you know that scene from, like, that's awesome. And this is really good for roleplay, actually. Now, before we end the video, let's do some more detailing, some more, like, views. Or, sorry for saying that again, like, more just looks at it. So here, all the lights on. And it's illuminating, it means, like, it goes on and off, which is pretty cool. So there's, like, the little, like, detailing, the lines here. And these little crests here. Like, little points. I really like that. Here's the big thumb piece. The lights just turned off, see, because it doesn't stay on forever. Here's, like, the thumb piece. And, like, an eye holder. And that was my videos. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys enjoyed.